The hidden digital loopholes threatening global supply chains. Why this matters. Everything you buy has a journey. Your phone, your food, your medicine, your fuel. They move through factories, ports, warehouses, ships, trucks, and data systems. And here's the truth most people never hear. The greatest threat to global supply chains today is not physical theft. It's digital exposure. This is the story of the hidden digital loopholes threatening global supply chains. What is supply chain security? Supply chain security is the protection of goods, information, systems, processes, from disruption, manipulation, theft, or sabotage. In the past, security meant locks, guards, fences. Today, supply chains run on software, cloud platforms, APIs, IoT devices, third-party vendors, and every digital connection creates a new attack surface. The digital transformation problem. Modern supply chains are built for speed, not security. To move faster, companies automate inventory, integrate vendors digitally, share data across borders, connect systems 24/7. But speed introduces fragility. A single compromised vendor system can ripple across hundreds of organizations. Efficiency became the priority. Security became an afterthought. The third-party vendor loophole. This is the most dangerous loophole. Most companies don't get hacked directly. They get hacked through logistics partners, software suppliers, cloud vendors, maintenance providers. Attackers target the weakest digital link, not the biggest company. If one vendor falls, everyone connected is exposed. Software supply chain attacks. Software is now part of every physical product. From shipping systems to warehouse automation. A software update can inject malicious code, disable operations, manipulate data. These attacks are hard to detect because they arrive disguised as trusted updates. Trust becomes the weapon. Cloud and API exposure. Supply chains rely heavily on cloud platforms. Cloud systems expose inventory data, shipment routes, pricing, supplier relationships. Poorly secured APIs allow attackers to extract sensitive data, manipulate orders, disrupt logistics. These breaches don't look dramatic, but they quietly destabilize operations. IoT and smart logistics risks. Modern supply chains use GPS trackers, smart sensors, automated scanners, RFID systems. Many of these devices lack encryption, use default passwords, rarely receive updates. They become silent backdoors into supply networks. Digital convenience becomes physical vulnerability. Data integrity. The invisible threat. Not all attacks steal data. Some attacks change it. When attackers manipulate inventory numbers, shipping times, quality data, they cause delays, shortages, financial losses, safety risks. False data creates real-world chaos. Human error and access mismanagement. Technology fails, but people open the door. Common mistakes include overprivileged access, shared credentials, poor vendor onboarding, lack of monitoring. One compromised login can affect an entire global operation. Security is not just technical, it's human. National and global security impact. Supply chain attacks don't just hurt companies. They impact healthcare, energy, food supply, transportation, national security. When supply chains fail, societies feel it. Digital loopholes can create physical shortages and geopolitical instability. How organizations can close the loopholes. Real protection requires vendor risk assessments, zero trust architecture, continuous monitoring, strong identity controls, secure software development. Supply chain security must be end-to-end. You cannot outsource responsibility. Final message. The future of supply chain security. The world depends on supply chains. But supply chains now depend on digital trust. And trust, without verification, becomes vulnerability. The hidden digital loopholes are real. They are growing. And they are being exploited. The future belongs to organizations that understand this truth. Security is not a feature. It's a foundation. Welcome to Prime Security Solutions, where security, intelligence, and resilience come together. Stay informed, stay secure, and stay ahead.